There are a few ways to get your campaign in front of donors. In the block editor, add the Charitable Campaign block, then pick your campaign, here, Maple Grove Community Fund. Showing several campaigns at once, the Campaigns block lays them out in a grid, and Campaign Showcase gives them a featured look. We'll cover both in their own videos. Prefer a shortcode or not using blocks? Drop in the campaign shortcode with your campaign's ID, and it works in any theme. Here's the campaign on its own page, the story, the progress bar, and the donation form all embedded and ready to accept gifts. Want a simpler call to action instead? On a separate page, add the Modal Donate button block for a clean, standalone donate button. Open the block settings to choose the campaign, set the button label, and match your brand with the colors and size and spacing panels. Now, on that page, when a visitor clicks the button, the donation form opens right in a pop-up so they can give without ever leaving. And every campaign also has its own donation page @/donate that you can link to from anywhere. For more charitable tutorials, visit wpcharitable.com/documentation.